everybody, this is JDB. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly cut an avocado. Here, we have avocado. Here is a knife. Now for a knife, I would suggest using a paring knife like this. Don't need a cooking knife because it's too big, it won't work. And you want to cut it on the size of the avocado so you won't cut yourself. And of course, you need a cutting board. So here's avocado, regular size avocado. What you want to do is look for the stem here, and you want to cut along around it, just like this. And once you do that, I'll show you, I can't show you right now, I don't have a tripod, but I'll cut it for you and I'll show you what it looks like. Right now I'm halfway cutting it. As you can see here, kind of see the line that I'm trying to make. You want to cut it all the way across. So let's finish this and then see what it looks like. Okay, the avocado is now cut. Now let's pull it apart gently. And here you go. Properly cut avocado without it cutting yourself or anything. Now to get the seed out, all you want to do is just cut around it with a knife or a spoon, and they're easy to come out pretty easily. And you know how you want it. So thanks for watching of how to properly cut an avocado, and have a great day.